So hi guys, this is Navdeep from Delhi Immigration Services. Today we have Miss Bhakti Patel with us. Miss Bhakti is 26-year-old Indian national. She has got the Canada student visa after two refusals, and we'll just talk to her and see how her profile is and how she's came out as a successful candidate. So, hi Miss Bhakti. First of all, how's you doing today? How's you feeling now?
I'm good, so much better than regular days. I just got PPI yesterday. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thank you. You know, hearing about the good news is, I'm good. I'm good. So, can you talk us about your profile, ma'am? About your background, about your education, work experience, and then you also had two refusals. So, can you just shed some light on that? Yeah.
Yes, sure, sir. I did BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration in 2016. Then I did PG Diploma of 2 years in dual specialization, marketing and international business. And I completed it 2018. Since then, I'm working in the same company, market research company. So it's been 3 years now. And I have no backlogs and no gap in between.
Right. And what position that you're working at, ma'am? Like when we
It's
applied for the
quality controller.
quality control, and that was in the marketing domain. I guess you were
Yes.
dealing with the research, everything. Okay. So, for which program you applied earlier before the third attempt?
I applied for strategic global business management in Conestoga.
Okay.
It is
So you
2 years
already had
PG diploma.
2 years. But I think the challenge was you already had a PG program in business management, and I
Yes.
think that program was almost similar to the previous one, the PG, right? And you probably would have learned the same thing, I guess, which you've already learned in the PG program. So, okay, so that was possibly the reason that, you got the refusal. And so you applied two times. Can you just talk us through that? You applied first time, you got the refusal. I understand what emotions may have been go high, but what research you have done, and then you reapplied. What was going through your mind at that time?
Yeah, I applied through an agent from Ahmedabad only. I
Yep.
contacted them because my many of my friends got the visa from them only.
Mhm.
Then I researched about them and went to them. They suggested me that according to your profile, you should go for strategic global business management. I told them that it is kind of similar to my past education, but somehow they convinced me, and I thought that okay, they have better knowledge than me in this field. So I applied through them, and then exactly on 19th day, I got reply from IRCC that it was a rejection. So I directly contacted them. Then they said that it is not our fault, and because of this COVID situation, it happened and all. So I was not satisfied from their reply. Then again they said that we have 1 month time left, so we will try again. They did not do they did not put much effort, or they did not discuss with me that what should they do or what are my reviews on that. They just filed the visa again, and again after 1 month I got rejection. So it was very disappointed, because my original plan was from September 2020, and because of them it get delayed again and again.
So did you apply for GCMS notes afterwards, like after two refusals, to understand what exactly
Yeah,
went
I
wrong?
discussed with you and you also suggested me. They did not suggest me that you should go for that. I had to research and I had to tell them.
Okay, after two refusals, then you understood that okay, something is wrong. Then you applied for a refund. Then how did you come to know about us? I mean, how did that happen? And then we suggested obviously for the master level program, we applied at Master of Management for the Master of Management at Crandall University. So how did you hear about us? Number one.
Yeah, after two rejection, I started my own research and contacted so many people. Like there are many WhatsApp group for us for our students.
Yeah.
So in one group, I saw your number, and she was the Margi Patel. She gave me a reference, and I was not sure because after two rejection and the agent which I chose, it was renowned in Ahmedabad. So I was not sure. I was afraid that should I go or not. Then she helped me a lot. She cleared a lot of doubts. And then I remember that I also mailed you like 30 times before confirming the process with you. but still you gave me clear idea, and it was very good for me that I got a good guidance that what should I do next.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So you, yeah, so you suggested that you should go for master according to my profile and all. I was not ready, but somehow you guided me very well, and I got to know that yeah, according to my profile, then I should. It is like my career progress.
Mm. So we thought about the masters, but again, the challenge, another challenge, was there about the percentage. If I'm not wrong, I think there was some issue with the percentage as well. So then, but eventually, can I ask what was the percentage did you have exactly, like in bachelor's?
In bachelor's, I have 60%.
60%. Okay. So yeah, some universities had. Did you also have any backlogs by any chance?
No, no.
No backlogs. Okay. Okay. So your IELTS score was anyway good. So okay. So eventually we got through, and then we applied. And when did you notice that there's a notification? You noticed today morning, or when exactly did you see
No,
that?
I was surfing internet yesterday, and
Yeah.
around 8 p.m. I got notification. It was like just 2 days ago. I checked GCK account. There was no update. There was no even medical update. So I was relaxed that okay, it will take time. And suddenly yesterday notification came, and my heartbeat was so fast because I already faced those situations in past. Then I opened GCK account, and it was written that original passport request. So it was very, I can't express in that feeling. I can't express my feelings because I already faced rejections, and I was not sure that will I get it or not. Then I just told my husband. I ran towards my father and directly called you.
So happy to see you, happy and having approval. Many, many congratulations. And even my next question is like, were you expecting it to happen, or were you just taking a chance? Like, what was going through your mind when we applied third time? Like, what
When I
was your,
read your Yeah, when I read your SOP, I was like sure that okay, from our side it is 100% effort. We have not kept any mistake for visa officer. So I was little bit sure, but just there was afraid of the rejection also because of
yeah,
two rejections.
that's quite natural because we have faced it. So you're even not sure how this process works, what officers are expecting. This is new for
Yes,
you, I get it. So yeah. Anyway, so many congratulations to you. I hope that everyone in your family is really, really happy, and
yes,
you are
yes.
super happy anyway. So
All
many
credit goes
congratulations.
to you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Credit goes to. I mean, it was. I think that in your destiny that you had to go anyways. You got it, and it was just a testing phase. We had to apply 2, 3 times, but it was there, and you had to go. You will go. And okay, so you faced 2 refusals. You've done research. You applied for UCMS notes and everything. And I hope you might have done a lot of research even before coming to us, like what to do, what to
Yes.
not. So one piece of advice would you like to give to the other students who are facing these refusals or in the similar situation? So what piece of advice would you like to give to them, like maybe about the research, maybe about whatever you learned through the process?
Yeah, I would like to say that do some research on your part also. Just don't trust that okay, agent will do everything, because I did the same mistake and I faced refusals. I put so many money, efforts, and my time, but the result was not satisfying. So I would like to say that put your efforts and research very well. Contact with many students also. They also guide you well.
Yeah. That's great. That's good. Thank you so much for the advice, and I'm so happy for you. I know you're super happy, and that makes us happy. So I'm so happy for you. All the very best for your life, ahead in Canada. And any information you need about the other steps, next steps, or traveling and everything, so you can feel free to get in touch with us. We'll help you out with the next steps, or maybe documents you need to travel and everything. So feel free to get in touch. And yeah, all the very best, and I wish you great luck. You have a good life further, and it's time to even put more efforts now. It's just a start basically. Yeah. So all the very best, ma'am. Would you like to say anything before we end this? We can say, and yeah. Otherwise, I'm so happy.
I just want, and my family member also wants to thank you because
Yeah.
it was like, now finally I can fly to Canada and now I can make my career better. So thank you so much.
Most welcome. Thank you to everyone who supported you, and thank you to everyone who believed in you that if you were thinking and doing it. So that support really means a lot. So thank you so much, ma'am. All the very very best, and yeah, enjoy your life. No problem. Have a good day. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. All the very best.
Bye, sir. Thank you.